people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, edit that out. Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to teach you guys how to find the best credit card for you. So everybody can say, oh, I just got the Apple credit card. Oh, I just got the Chase credit card. Oh, I just got this credit card. I got that credit card. That's fine that they got that credit card, but what's the best credit card for you? So I want to teach you guys how to find those credit cards. Now, I've been working a lot to build this website for you guys, and it's to teach you guys about the different credit cards and have information on these different credit cards. You can apply right through the website too. You'll have the link for that credit card. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is my website here. I'm still doing editing, so please do not look too hard. It may be kind of different. I still have to edit a few things on it, but you definitely can put your information right here for a quote. You want to see the events that I have coming up, complete the application, or see some home tours. You can click these different things. If you want to get my credit membership, I have my credit membership information here. And then this is a section I want you to see. So the best credit cards for bad credit. Do you have bad credit? Do you need to find credit cards for bad credit? Then you would click right here, and then it'll show you a full list of credit cards for bad credit. So if you have bad credit, you can literally go through here and see like the different credit cards that's here. So you have the self Visa credit card, you got the credit builder card, and then each of these credit cards, I have a video about the credit card. You can apply for the credit card. I got a free downloadable guide that have information about that credit card. And then also, it's all these credit cards are just nonstop coming. So you will see like all of the different credit cards here. So it keeps going. These are the best credit cards for bad credit. So if you have bad credit, then these are the ones you should probably choose from, right? Now you can go back. It's another one, the best credit cards for students. So if you're a student, then you're going to want to go through this list and look at the best credit cards for students. Because if you're a student, you're going to want to get the credit cards for students. So the Discover is student cashback card, also the Chase Freedom student card. So it's a lot of different credit cards here. And again, all of them have a video. You can apply for it right here. You get the free downloadable link also. So these are the best credit cards for students. So you want to go and see, where are you at? Are you building your credit right now? Do you want to see the best credit cards to build credit? Are you looking for the best credit cards for gas? Because maybe you're trying to get a lot back in gas, or you spend a lot of money on gas. So you want that credit card, you know. The best credit card for rewards. So, you know, when you sign up for a credit card, you have rewards. It's a sign up bonus. Usually when you sign up for these credit cards, and this is the section that you want to be. Because these credit cards, they have rewards. Usually when you sign up for them, they may give you $200. Amazon, they may give you $150 when you sign up for them. So it's a lot of different credit cards that give you rewards, but these are the ones where you sign up and you were to get rewards. Like you can earn $200 cash back when you sign up for this credit card. Understand that with the credit cards for rewards, they usually have it where you have to pay a certain amount. Like, hey, if you spend at least $3,000 in the first, 60 days or 6 months of having your account, then you'll get the bonus. So make sure that you spend whatever you have to spend to get that bonus, but you have the link for the rewards. Also, if you want cash back, you want to stack some cash back cards. So you want to have a cash back card for when you're traveling, for groceries, for gas, then that is good for you. Just the best overall credit cards, and then the best credit cards for travel. So depending on what you have going on, you want to check out all these different links, and you can go right to my website, just rickita.com, and you can search this and you'll see like the best credit cards for whatever you want. Now, I also have it too where you can click this search box right here, and then you can look up credit cards too. So say if you like, ooh, I want the Capital One, right? I just put Capital, I'm going to put one in here, search it at the top on the search bar, and go ahead and click search, and let's see what it come up with. So the Capital One Walmart rewards. Now, when you guys see videos, like when you guys see these things, let me show you how deep you can actually go into a credit card. So when you search it, it's a full blog about it. You see people that actually got approved for it. Somebody said they got $1,000. Somebody said they got $300. You learn information. So Capital One reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and they will check all 3 credit bureaus to approve you. Also, you can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. It's not an annual fee on this credit card. Plus, a lot of them you're going to start seeing, it's going to be a whole blog review where you can read a lot about that credit card. Some of these credit cards don't have the full review, but some of them do. So you'll, by the end of this month, you should see a full review on this card. And then also similar cards to this one. So which one is this one similar to? So the Capital One Walmart card, Capital One Walmart Rewards card, which one is it similar to? Oh, it's similar to the Discover It Cashback card. Okay, let me check that one out. And all you got to do is just go ahead and click it. And then look, it takes you to the Discover It Cashback credit card. So a lot of these, like I said, I'm going to have reviews up here. You can check it out. It has information about the credit card. Discover reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and they will check TransUnion to approve you. So a lot of times, if you want to know which credit bureau they're going to pull from, I will have it right here on this blog. Now, I'm still building it, you guys. It's a lot of work to build this blog, and I'm planning on having even more information for you guys. But check this out, especially if you're trying to apply for credit cards, because look, it even have questions. What is the limit on the Discover It Cashback card? Is the Discover It Cashback card hard to get? Is Discover It a good credit card to build credit? What kind of credit do you need to have to get the Discover It Cashback card? And then also, again, balance transfer, personal loans, secure credit cards, bad credit, okay cards. All of these different things you can check out just from clicking on these different links. So say if you like the Discover It Cashback card, but you want to see some other credit cards, let's check out the Apple credit card. Let's see what they have to offer. So the Apple credit card, you're going to always see a video, an apply link, and a free downloadable guide. And then you'll see other people that got approved for it, okay? You'll definitely see that. They don't have an annual fee. They have unlimited daily cash on this one. You can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. And also some other similar credit cards to this one. And then also some of the latest articles on this credit card, you'll see it here too. So these are like the latest ones that I did. The Discover NHL, the Target, JCPenney, Victoria's Secrets. So if you ever interested in it, you can always click on it and just read more about it. So this is the Victoria's Secret, some information on Victoria's Secret. You can get this credit card with no annual fee. The shopping cart trick, they'll pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And then this is the information I told you you'll have on the different blogs. So this information is coming to each credit card. If you want to read on it, the similar credit cards are definitely here, and then all the other credit cards. But push start to shove, you guys, find out first what type of credit card you trying to get. That's the key. You know, are you looking for the best credit cards for bad credit, students, just the best credit cards in general, for travel, to build credit? Find out where you're at or what you want, and then go from there. A lot of these credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and that's something that I really love the most. Now, I took a lot of time, you guys, building out this blog, but this will help you choose the best credit cards for you. So I don't know what the best credit card is for you. Do you travel a lot? Do you want rewards? Are you a student right now? It's going to depend on what you have going on, but I really hope that this blog is very helpful and useful to you all. Now, I do have the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. We are going to meet up for sure throughout the 60 days so you guys can reach that 60 points in 60 days if you guys are a member of my membership. So definitely check that out. Again, that is on my website, and it's going to be right above all of the credit cards. So you can get a membership. I have it where you can start with a $1 trial, or you can pay $99 for the setup fee and just pay $29 per month. Or a lot of people got the lifetime membership where I don't care. As long as I'm doing credit and I plan on having the website up forever, we're going to help you. And the best thing I like about my membership is that we send out dispute letters for you. As long as you're a member, you can get them out for free. Like I had someone say, hey, I updated my address, Rickita. I gave you guys my new ID. Can you please send that into the credit bureau so that they can put my new address in the system and delete the other address? Sure, you got a membership. I got you. I'll send a letter out today. And that's the type of thing that we provide for the people that's a part of our membership. So definitely check it out, you guys, and check out the 60 points in 60 days. I look forward to see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.